What's the meaning of centerpiece? Centerpiece. Centerpiece.
Centerpiece. Centerpiece. A centerpiece is something prominently placed in the middle of a table or display to draw attention and serve as a focal point. It is commonly used for decoration and often features elaborate or striking design elements. The purpose of a centerpiece is to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of the setting and create a visually appealing atmosphere. Typically, a centerpiece will consist of one or more decorative items arranged in an artful manner. These may include flowers, candles, figurines, or other decorative pieces. The end result is a captivating display that can set the mood for a variety of occasions, from elegant dinners to celebratory events.